day started, to be honest. I also need to do an Airbnb tour, so I'm gonna show you guys the Airbnb and this stuff as well. But I was able to stop on my way here to get a patty. Because I just feel like whenever people are come from foreign, it's supposed to have something to welcome them, you know what I mean? Like something away, you know, kind of sentimental or something will represent the island that they're coming to or the country. So I got some just big patty, just so you can, you know, introduce the person to the island. And then we're gonna get some ice cold jelly across the road before we hit the road. I wanted to get the jelly further down along, like, you know, the driving strip going in Paradise or something like so. But police did to the sun and also the jelly man gone. So we just are waiting on people come out. And then we're gonna hit the road. We also need to go to Gambia because I'm running out of Jamaican cards, so I need to change some pound. The pound is surprisingly good, like honestly I'm so impressed. It's been a really good this trip. I came at a right time economy, finally stable. Before I came it was like 180, 181, now it's 188, 189, 90. Last week I was able to grab 195. So fingers crossed today we can get in the 90s or in the 80s, high 80s at least, so that the money can really stretch out. I'm in love with my hair. I didn't do any edges because my hair, it looked tight enough, but it's not really that tight. Actually, I'm gonna do the stitches. It just make it look, you know, a little bit extra grippy. That's me.
Between us, just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
Oh, the kebab looks good.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you now. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. No. Building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart.
Guys, I'm done with breakfast now, just in the supermarket at Sovereign. Just in the supermarket at Sovereign to just pick up some bits for the Airbnb. I haven't showed you guys a full tour yet because I haven't done one. I was just so exhausted and overwhelmed yesterday. I just needed to just be present without recording anything. So when I get in, I'll do a bit of straightening up and then show you guys where we're staying. But it's quite private, quite pricey as well. But it's pretty good so far. We were having issues with the Wi-Fi this morning, and we were having issues with the hot water, but that's because we just didn't know how to turn it on. So I wish the host had just sent us an information pack with like instructions how to turn the cooker on, how to turn the aircon on, and all the other bits and bobs. But later we can talk about that. Let's get shopping now.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you now. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say.
Morning vlog. Last night we went to Mecca and Taboo, but it wasn't popping. What am I saying now? Please use main door for entry. But I'm at Pegasus Hotel now, so I'm just quickly gonna check with I'm gonna check to see if they have any like half price that no one claimed, to see if I can get that. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. People, I'm a boss. I'm tired. And the carnival party them start 2 days ago. I'm not going on. My friend them are going to the, but I don't have the, I don't have the energy. I go take a nap. I did one go up a strawberry. Because some Fridays they do all you can drink for a set fee, which I thoroughly enjoy because they provide live entertainment as well. So I wanted to check that out today, but my friends want to go to some soca jam stuff. I'm just like, ugh, I don't have an aiming for stuff like that, honestly. I'm having some stewed chicken with some ground provision, Irish and sweet pepper, Irish and sweet potato and fuzzy. I need to go look for my farm too. I need to go check for my house. I'm gonna put some of them in prayer for them.
Sitting up on my ways, I can't blame you, no. No.
Nothing. Could I swipe it and I take every ID right now? You know, I'm serving her and I helping myself. Yeah, help yourself or you serve it out.
You wanna keep yourself from me when I don't have the truth. I'm just a mirror of what I see. You better be all alone. Your positive motivating force within my eyes. Did you ever feel the need to provide? Let me know. Let me know.
in my life. Should you ever feel the need to feel my let me